Spray that! No! Spray that! Take my camera!
I can't reach.
No, it's gonna light. That one didn't work as well as the other one.
It was kind of cool. The camera.
Yeah, it did. The flames were like coming up and licking it.
wait. It's like,
Give me that.
gonna take your anger out on it, Nate, for burning your camera.
We'll tie with that maniac.
I'm making sure it's
I
out.
got 2 videos in after.
No.
It was like sizzling. Not my camera. I'm mad at you now, Josh. It's all Josh. It's all Josh's fault. Josh, why do you hate me?
Why do you hate me?
And I came and picked you up from your house.